duper easy. Start with 1 block of cream cheese, 4 sticks of butter, both room temperature. Cream them together. Then we're going to add in 4 cups of all-purpose flour. Mix them all together until they start forming a dough just like this. Then you're going to knead them by hand for about 5 to 7 minutes until it fully comes together. Roll out little balls of dough and let them rest for about 10 minutes. We're going to prepare the fillings. This is the dulce de leche or cajeta. Mix it up with 1 egg yolk. Do the same with the pineapple preserves, but add a little bit of ground cloves. You can roll out the dough with a rolling pin or with a tortilla press like my mom does. Then we're going to fill them up with about a tablespoon worth of filling. The egg yolk in the filling is so that the filling won't explode out of the empanadas when they are baking. Once they're filled, you're going to fold them in half and then crimp them together like this by hand, or take the easy route out and use a fork. Do the same thing with the pineapple filling. Place them on a baking sheet. They're going to bake for about 17 to 20 minutes at 350 degrees. As soon as they're done baking, you're going to coat them in cinnamon sugar for the pineapple ones. You can do the same with the cajeta, or slather them with more cajeta on the top and then dip them to coat in some crushed up pecans, and enjoy.